With our AI training, we manipulate a lot of PowerPoints and we update them constantly because we just want to make our training better. We reach a point where this PPT manipulation, all the updates that we have to do manually in those documents, they grew out of proportion. So we need to design something to manage those PPT. And because we're using AI, we want to see if AI can help us. So in today's episode, we're going to ask Manus, how can we design a software that will help us manipulate those PPT and make our life easier? How did we do that? So we started with quite expensive prompts describing what we want. So we have a lot of PPT. This is part of the context. And then we want to be able to break down those PPT into smaller pieces so we can update the small pieces and assemble the PPT again. And instead of asking the AI to write the code directly, because we think it's a mistake, we ask first, what kind of technology should we use? Why do we think it's wrong? I see a lot of people who do these vibe coding things and they're like, okay, this is what I want, build it. This is not how good software developers do. They don't do it this way. We've never done it this way. Software engineers know that you have to go through choosing the right technology and then doing a design, and then you start coding. And you may have even more steps in between. So we start with the first step, and we'll definitely move on to the next step in a future episode. What should we do? What is the technology we should use? So this is the first question we ask Manus, but we don't just want a yes, no answer, use this technology. We want a bit more details. We want comparison. We want covered advice. We want consulting. Right? So Manus goes for it, create a project, and then goes on to find information about PPT, how to generate them, finding different technology, different libraries, going through its to-do list. So if you don't understand the concept of to-do list, go back to episode 1. You will see how Manus is structured and how it's working. The first half of episode 1 is dedicated to that. So quite good, and we ask for 3 solutions. So Manus is going to give us 3 solutions. Now, the 3 solutions are Python-based desktop application, VBA-based PowerPoint add-in, and web-based system. Great, but we need more. So let's look at the final report. Is it well structured? Is it well organized? It is well structured. It has a table of content. It has 10 sections. It has an executive summary, project requirements. So it's already doing some of the analysis of what is required. What do we want to build? It goes into explaining the structure of the PowerPoint, available technology, and then solution number 1. This is how it's going to happen in solution number 1. This is even how the code should be structured. Solution number 2. This is how it's going to happen with solution number 2. And then breakdown, workflow, etc., etc. And then solution number 3. And at the end, recommendation. So comparison between solution 1, 2, and 3. In terms of programming time, user-friendliness, maintenance effort, developing cost, scalability, all great questions that need to be addressed. And then recommendation. And the recommendations are very interesting because every single solution has pros and cons. And if you are a software engineer, if you're a software architect, you know this is true. This is absolutely true. There's never one solution that is perfect in every single situation. So if you're a small team with mixed operating system, go with Python. If you're a Microsoft-centric organization, go with VBA. If you're a very large organization with distributed team, go with a web-based system. This is absolutely amazing. So I'm very happy with the results. And then some additional consideration and conclusion. So within 7 or 8 minutes, I have very, very strong feelings, very strong positive feeling about this document. I'm very happy with the results, and I'm willing to move on to the next step. So subscribe to this playlist, subscribe to our account, and you will see the next step in our PowerPoint planning, probably in a few weeks. Thank you.